What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, guys, I want to show you a program that's been around for 7 years. It's 7 or 8. Okay, it's been around a long time. All right, and this program is a training platform that offers digital training. Okay, and it shows you how to make these $500 sales. Okay, and they give you the training you need to do so. All right, future-proof tools and training for members. All right, Exitus Elite is a standalone online training and mentoring platform that provides its members with the tools and training necessary to promote and run a successful business online or offline. The tools and training will help overcome some of the significant challenges businesses face today, namely finding new customers or prospects and maintaining a steady cash flow to help with the day-to-day running of a business. We offer an optional income opportunity. If you do not have an existing product, service, or opportunity to offer, you can choose to market one of the Genesis product packages. Becoming a member of Exitus Elite might be the best decision you have ever made, okay? I joined this program when it first launched, okay? Like I said, it was either 7 or 8 years ago. That's how long it's been. And it's the perfect companion to help you learn, build, grow, and profit. All right. So how do you make these $500 commissions? You want to get this training. You want to check the link out in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. You can get paid, guys, instantly with this program. As you can see, here's a $500 Cash App payment that I received. You decide how you want to get paid. This is a member-to-member program, okay? So you're paid directly from the person that joins you. You don't have to wait on the company to pay you any of that. You decide how you want to receive your payments. So it says right here, the person that paid me, I don't want to reveal their information. They stated it's for the Exitus Elite product package, okay? And this was via Cash App, okay? There's many ways you can receive your payments. So let's get into the program and how you can get started and what this is all about. Okay, this is a membership, guys. There is no monthly fees here. There's no yearly fees. It's a one-time payment, and you can get paid $500 over and over and over. Okay, so with the membership, Exitus Elite membership includes all the tools and education you need to thrive in today's challenging financial climate. In the Exitus Hubs, you will learn how to market your business, offer or service on most social media platforms. Learn from the experts with pro videos and audios, all right, about exactly how they achieve 6- and 7-figure incomes and improve many aspects of your life with our professional and personal development videos and audios. Our step-by-step courses show you precisely what you need to do and how to do it. You can learn from the comfort of your home or office at your own pace. So basically, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, guys, you can use any smart device to access the training. Learn how to do this from any smart device. Simple step-by-step courses. They show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do, I want you to check out this video. After the video, go to the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Get started. For everybody that purchases this $500 product, I will be running a solo ad for you, a paid ad, okay, on your first round, because you've got to market your program. Whatever you join out here, doesn't matter what it is, you have to promote it, right? So I'm going to run that first paid advertising for you to get eyeballs on your page. So with that being said, I want you to check out this video. Go to the link in the description. After that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And jot down your questions if you have some after you go to that website in the description. and let's chat. Let's talk about it. Let's get you started. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.
To make money with Exitus Elite, you sell the Genesis product libraries to your prospects. And because of our powerful You First compensation plan, you will always get paid first when you help your members qualify. Our powerful direct selling model pays 100% of the commissions to you, using the one-up concept, which has proven itself to be one of the most lucrative paid plans in history. Every time a person buys a Genesis product from you, you get paid 100% of the commission up to the level you have purchased, with one exception. The first sale you make at your purchase level or above is called your training or qualifying sale. The buyer of the Genesis library product and the commission passes up line. You then become qualified at that level for life, meaning you keep all future commissions up to your level. You can now reach those higher income goals much faster. Another exceptional part of the You First compensation plan is that you only ever pass up one person regardless of the level this pass up took place. So, for example, if you are a qualified G100 member and you upgrade to G1000, when you make your first G1000 qualifying sale, only the commission passes up line. You keep your new team member. Because of this, your team builds much quicker, and you can earn passive income commissions at a much faster rate. Not only is this important financially for you, but as soon as you make your qualifying sale, Exitus will waive your next year's membership fee payment. 88% of new members join at the G1000 member level because they never have to pass up any commission from the lower levels. You keep all the $100, $250, and $500 commissions starting day one. It is the passing up of commissions from lower levels via overrides, upgrades, and split pay overrides that can massively increase your income. Here is a real-world scenario that G1000 members often experience. You are an active G1000 member. A G100 member in your team brings in the first qualifying sale at G1000. The full $1,000 passes up to you. Now they make their second sale at G1000, but they can only earn $100 of this, as they are at G100. The balance of $900 passes up to you. You have a G500 member on your team, and his first sale is a G250. This G250 member then makes his first sale at G1000. The commission passes up line along with the new member. The G500 member gets a new member and $500. The balance of $500 passes to you. The same G250 member makes his second sale of G1000. This time he keeps the member and $250. The balance passes up to the next active G1000 member. So you have just made another $750. In this scenario, you are not qualified at G1000, yet you have earned $3,150. With the Exitus Elite You First compensation plan, you can earn up to $1,000 in direct sales, up to $900 in upgrades and overrides, and finally up to $750 in split pay overrides. We offer a life-changing compensation plan. Let it change yours.